Hi, WPLMS users. Do you want to set login threshold limit for students? It means that, when users close the Internet browser tab, the account remains open for more than 30 minutes and they cannot access again until that time expires. So, this code will set it to 15 minutes instead of 30 minutes. Go to Admin section in your WordPress dashboard. Hover on the Plugin menu and choose Plugin Editor option. Here you will get a pop-up, click I understand button. Then, select WPLMS Customizer plugin, and click on the WPLMS Customizer.php file. Here you have to put this code and click Update button. Note that, here 900 is seconds, which is equivalent to 15 minutes. After click Update, your login threshold limit will set 15 seconds for students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more update on WPLMS plugins.